plant layout design. It's one of those problems which affects every organization in manufacturing. A plant is designed, it continues, it grows, machines are added, people are added, the processes are tweaked, and then we have chaos. Well, plant layout design is important and needs to be reviewed at regular intervals. It is like the skeletal system of the human body, which supports the body and helps the human body to remain straight. It gives posture. Same way, the plant layout design is important to give posture to the entire manufacturing. I, Nilesh Arora, founder partner of Add Value Consulting, will throw some light in this video of mine as to why plant layout design is important. First and foremost, it helps create express ways for material flow. Uninterrupted material flow is very, very critical to reduce the throughput time, optimize inventory in the value chain, reduce manpower, optimize space. Finally, express ways help control and improve inventory turns. When the material flows uninterrupted as per the demand flow, that means the speed at which the material is required in the market, that is the demand rate. When both material flow and information flow coming from the market are synchronized, we get a healthy cash flow. This cash flow is very, very important to sustain the organization, put it at good use. A good lean plant layout can help us create a visual factory in which employees can have a sense of ownership, a sense of belonging, and it can be a great strategy to compete out in the market. So let's review your organization, your manufacturing layout, and study the spaghetti, the value streams, the point of view stores, the supermarkets, and improve the flow of material. Uninterrupted flow of material means uninterrupted revenues. Good luck.